Mayon Volcano, one of the most active volcanoes in the Philippines, erupted on Saturday, generating significant ash emissions and hazardous pyroclastic flows that affected numerous communities across Albay province and prompted authorities to heighten monitoring and preparedness measures. According to observations from monitoring agencies, volcanic activity intensified during the day, producing sustained ash plumes that rose high above the summit and drifted across surrounding areas. The eruption was accompanied by incandescent lava fragments and fast-moving pyroclastic density currents that traveled along established channels on the volcano's slope. These pyroclastic flows consist of superheated gases, ash and fragmented volcanic material and are widely regarded as among the most dangerous phenomena associated with volcanic eruptions. Due to their speed and extreme temperatures, they can cause severe destruction within minutes. Authorities reported that the flows were largely confined within the designated hazard zones, although ashfall extended well beyond these areas and affected a much wider region.
Uli na kita abo na yung auto.
Sige na pa. Oh my gosh, look at the difference.
Oh my God, and digital printing.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Brochures, business card.
Heavy ashfall was recorded across more than 50 villages in Albay province, blanketing residential areas, major roadways, and agricultural land in thick layers of gray ash. In several locations, visibility was significantly reduced, leading to disruptions in transportation and daily activities. Residents reported difficulty in breathing due to the density of the ash, prompting health advisories for the use of protective masks and the need to remain indoors whenever possible. Local government units responded by issuing immediate public safety advisories and coordinating with disaster response agencies. Schools in affected municipalities were temporarily closed as a precautionary measure, while emergency response teams were deployed and placed on standby to assist residents in the event of further escalation. Cleaning operations began in some areas to clear accumulated ash from roads and critical infrastructure in order to restore mobility and reduce hazard.
binuang. Grabe, oh yan oh. Makapal ang ashfall.
The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology maintained Alert Level 3 over Mayon Volcano, indicating a high level of unrest and the possibility of further eruptions. Under this alert level, a strict 6-kilometer permanent danger zone remains in effect. Entry into this zone is prohibited due to the continuing threat of sudden explosive activity, lava flows, rockfalls, and additional pyroclastic currents.
Ashfall. Grabe. Bumubuga ang Mayon.
Aviation authorities were advised to remain cautious as volcanic ash in the atmosphere poses a serious risk to aircraft, particularly to jet engines and onboard systems. Airlines operating in the region were urged to monitor official advisories and adjust flight paths if necessary to avoid ash cloud.
Hello guys, pumutok pala talaga ang Mayon. Ito oh, puro abo na ang aking jacket. Akala namin ulan. Yun pala, pumutok ang Mayon. Hindi namin.
Emergency management agencies, in coordination with provincial and municipal governments, continue to closely monitor developments and assess potential risks to communities. Preparations for possible evacuations have been initiated, including the identification of evacuation centers, stockpiling of relief goods, and coordination with health services to support displaced populations if required.
Pasalit na sa mata, Papa. Oh, yan. Nasa abungan eh. Oh, yan na. Kaya malpog na.
Authorities have reiterated their call for the public to strictly follow official guidance, avoid restricted zones, and remain alert to further updates as monitoring continues.